No, no.
I would sometimes resort to stopping and thinking just what my body doesn't hurt.
All
right. Focus in on that location of my body and try to really clear my mind.
I got it. Don't touch it. Yeah.
Alright, careful, because it's a big spoon. I gotta get the little spoons.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's too big. Yeah, it's alright, it's alright. Yeah. Just give it the tip of the spoon, okay? Just like this. Watch Mama. Watch.
No.
Just like that. Don't put the whole spoon in her mouth. Yeah, wipe her face. Watch. You go like this. And then... there you go. Okay, just put right there. That's it. And then just put the tip of the spoon in her mouth. Okay, use it.
Put the rest in the bottle.
I know, but we have to train her to eat the spoon.
Don't do that.
I know. Let me just wipe her face. Can I show you?
I want to show you.